I have been so uninterested in a lot of these luxury houses and what they're putting out, because to me, for me, my favorite Instagrammers, for me, this is luxury, honey.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hello, my darlings, it's Dion Dean. Welcome back to another video. So I have a special delivery. This was actually delivered last week, but I wanted to wrap it and put it under the tree. But I was like, you know what? I really want to see this bag. My husband was like, are you going to open that box? I'm going to open this box. This is my latest obsession. You guys know that Coach and we've been having this thing since I discovered the Field 40 bags as travel bags and work bags. And so this is my second one. I have not looked at it. I just took the tape off the box. And so I'm going to show you guys. If you have been adamantly looking at the YouTube community, then you know what this is. This is a bad bag, y'all. And I'm gonna give y'all some suspense. No, I'm not. So this bag, initially I want to say it was $6.50, but it was on sale. Again, if you guys are part of the community, if you watch the community, we put this right here, then you know what this is. This is actually a men's bag. The Field Tote. I can't even talk, guys. The Field Tote, the Field 40 Tote in Camo. I will not take full credit for this bag. One of Jesse's friends, I'm gonna leave his Insta because I don't have it offhand. He had this bag. I don't know how we talked about this bag. I think I talked about the Field 40 and the one that I got, and she's like, girl, you have to see this bag. My friend has this bag. And then we went on to we created a group chat so he could do like a preview of his. Honey, I gotta look at it. Hold on, because I haven't seen it yet. Oh my God. Are you serious right now? Do I take off all the things? Wait, does it come with a dust bag? I'm taking off all this stuff. I want to make sure it's protected. Let's see if we have a dust bag in here. Coach be packaging stuff. I swear, I have bought from so many luxury retailers. Nobody packs like Coach. Doesn't have a dust bag. But it has a shaper. Okay, Coach, with the I'm going to leave a link to the unboxing that I did for my other Field 40. Detachable strap. Let me show you the bag before I show you the strap. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I hope I'm in frame doing all this. Let's talk about this bag. There's so much I want to talk about with this bag. I have been so uninterested in a lot of these luxury houses and what they're putting out. Because to me, for me, my favorite Instagrammers, for me, this is luxury, honey. Oh, this is matte. I don't even want to. Okay, let's get in close. Let's get in close. So this is matte. Let me show you guys that. This is matte. And it has a little coach on there. Okay, let's get into this bag. Hold on. Maybe I should have unboxed this first because the little, oh, the dust bag is in there. Hold on. Let me take the dust bag out. I'm sorry, guys. This is like an honest unboxing, an honest review. Here's the dust bag, which I think is a little small. Maybe not. And let me take the little poison out here so don't hurt my navy. I'll throw those out. All right, hold up. It comes with a shaper. It's a shaper. Y'all see this? Y'all, they don't be packaging no luxury like this. And they covered. They even covered this little thing. All right. Okay. Okay. There's still more. There's still more stuff. All right. Okay. 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 Here is the Field 40 in Camouflage. This is a men's bag, or sold as a men's bag. When I did my research, this is from designer Jeffrey Lynn, and this was launched 2 years ago. So this is actually old. Here's my thing, because you know I love a YouTube research. I've only seen maybe 3 reviews of this bag. So this is either it's passe and people, no, because you stuff lives on YouTube forever. Yeah, maybe people just didn't know about this bag. Maybe women didn't know about this bag. I don't know. It's a men's bag. You know what? That's so bad because I really had in my heart, let me just get closer. I had in my heart to get my husband the Camo duffel, and that's going to come from the outlet. This came from the store. That's so sad. But this is the Camo. It has feet on the bottom. What color are the feet? Are the feet matte? What I love about it is that the hardware, I know you guys are gonna be like, okay, Deanna, it's not that deep. It is that deep because they could have just put on like the shiny black hardware, but they chose to really like elevate it and take it to another level with the matte black. And it could be because this is made for men. So it's supposed to be a little bit more masculine. Whereas maybe shiny would have been seen to be more feminine. But this bag was $6.50, and that's what it was. It was $6.50. I think it went on sale. There was like a 30% off months ago, but I first found out about this bag in September. And so let me show you the interior. So the interior is that same suede material. I'm gonna leave a link to my Field 40, the other one that I have. So this is what it looks like. Green on the inside. And, oh, hold on. This is so good. Even this is camo. Does it say Coach Menswear? What does it say? Coach New York. I thought it said Coach Menswear. Guys. This actually goes with what I got on now. I'm about to, from a real airport outfits. This is an airport outfit for you, darling. So what I want to do is I want to match this up side by side between this and my Jumbo Quay, because that's the other bag that I actually do travel with. The back. So the back is unbranded. So if you don't want Coach, if you're not the kind of person to like wear branded stuff, you can just wear it this way. This is luxury to me. Am I right? Like this is, they just like a camouflage embossed. It's raised. It's a raised leather. I'm sorry, this is not much of an unboxing. All right, let's see what it looks like against the Quay. Okay, my darling, so this is the Jumbo Quay. This is the bag that I travel with the most. I got the cream horse and carriage field tote for when I'm wearing my cream luggage. Yes, I'm that girl. My bag has to, I don't like mix match. Like I like everything to match when I'm traveling. That's just a quirk, okay? But when I wear my black luggage, this is the bag that I typically take. I have the Jumbo Quay and I have the smaller one. I think this is the medium. I'm not sure. Yes, this is the medium because there's one a little smaller than this. But I love these bags. I travel with them. There are times when these two are the only bags that I carry. Yeah, this will be my walking around crossbody bag, and this will be my travel bag. That being said, this is the bag that would be used instead of this bag. And so I just want to see for size. It's definitely bigger. Definitely bigger. And so I love that, because when I'm traveling by myself, this works. When I'm traveling with the crew, my mom, her wheelchair person at the airport, I got Riley, I got my husband, I got all of the documents, the passports, the my iPad, Riley's iPad, not iPad, her Amazon tablet, I have mommy's medication, I have my toiletry. It's just a lot. And so that's what I'm going to use this for. But I'm also going to be using this for work, because we've had the conversation about Balenciaga. If I'll just leave a link right here. I don't necessarily want to carry it right now. When the current creative director of Balenciaga is debunked, then I will feel comfortable wearing Balenciaga like that. But for right now, I don't feel comfortable wearing that bag. So this is going to be my work bag. So if we have a styling session, or if I'm doing your photo shoot, if we're meeting for anything for Dion Dean Creative, this is what I will be wearing to our meeting. So I'm very, very excited about this purchase. This is my third purchase of Coach this year, and I'm loving this. Actually, let me show you this against the Rogue, because I think that this is a little bit bigger than the Rogue. Or should that be a whole new video? I'm gonna show you, and then maybe we'll do a whole new video on this versus the Rogue. Hold on. All right, so I got this for London, and I got it, like, I think it came the day that we were leaving for London, so I didn't get to do a video. So this is the Coach Rogue, and I got this because I wanted to wear it with my, with my Louboutin boots. I wanted to wear it with my Louboutin boots. So yes, I'm that girl, okay? I didn't want, the Louboutin boots just weren't this person. And so I wanted something that was a little more edgy, a little more, you know what I mean? Just a little more, a little more edgy. It actually has, can you hear that? It has little, I don't know, I don't want to call them pearls, but it has little things in there. And then of course it has the Coach emblem. So yes, this is my new baby. So this versus this, to me, it's two totally different feels, two totally different outfits. And so if you want me to do a review on this bag, I absolutely will. I use her, she's actually been used today. So I won't show you her inside, but yeah. Anyway, that's not what you came for. Let me go get the bag, hold on. All right, so I'm so excited. I have not been this excited over a purchase, and probably since the other Field 40 bag that I got. I just love this. I just love this. I love the embossed leather. It's just so cool. You know what I mean? Like, it's the kind of bag where you're walking and somebody be like, ooh, and that's not why you do things, but you don't want to, I'm gonna say it, okay? You don't want to look like everybody else, right? You want things that are going to turn your head, and you want things that are special to you, like that get you excited, and you want to buy it because you love it, not because it looks great on somebody else. And so I got this because it absolutely did look great on somebody else. But no, I fell in love with it, and I'm so excited. So how much did I paid? $3.90. I didn't tell you that. So it came down to $3.90, and I had it in my cart, and I was like, oh. Because the way how I'm thinking about money right now, every dollar that I spend could be going to my London ticket. So when I saw $6.50, I was just like, oh my gosh, that's a trip to London. And $3.90 is almost a trip to London. But you know what? Sometimes you just gotta make that purchase and then re-up. So I'll be re-upping in January. All right, my darlings, have a wonderful day, and I will see you probably tomorrow. Bye.
Go, go.